Hey there, billing clients for your time and want to make sure you capture every billable minute. Logging time and billing in FreshBooks connects your work directly to your invoices. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Use the time tracking feature. You can start a timer while working on a client's project from the FreshBooks dashboard or mobile app. When you stop, the entry is saved. You can also manually log time entries after the fact. To bill, go to the Invoices tab, create a new invoice for that client, and click Add Time to select the unbilled time entries. They'll populate as line items on the invoice. My crucial pro tip: use the billable versus non-billable toggle. When logging time, mark internal tasks as non-billable. This keeps your reports clean and ensures you only invoice for client work. It also helps you analyze how you're spending your own business hours. Just like that, you turn time into money with accuracy and ease. Do you bill by the hour, by the project, or use a flat rate? Share your billing method below. For more guides on profitable business practices, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.